Right, this is Abandoned City crew. It's Pirate Dog, Archie. Doing his normal, not paying attention. Right, I have photographed this pillbox before. All my cameras keep packing up, so I had to get a new one. And even this one gives me problems. So yeah, I thought I'd come down and get on a bit of film for you. I'm now under a new bridge. Just here. And just here. The old bridge is that bit just there. It was a really short width bridge. It used to come across all the way just to here. And the pillbox used to sit on the bridge protecting it. That's inland. That's the river there where the sluice gates are. This river here leads all the way out to the wash. All this would have been flooded during the war, and this line here and this line here, you will find plenty of pillboxes. There's even one at the sluice gates as well, and a few in the fields back here. But in this line here, all the way along, further beyond here, you've got a pump house. I'll try and go and get that soon. And then beyond that, you've got 2 tank ditches, stop tanks, and then a line from there to the pump house and going all the way down to the bends and to the tank traps. There's 3 more pillboxes and more stuff that goes out and across these fields. There's a pub there, it's meant to be good food. Right, oh, dog, you're always in the way. So yeah, I'll get this one on film. All this here, it's already started to happen. As you'll see, it's starting to flood out. All this is designed to flood to save inland. The actual water you see there on that field, that's got a raised edge by about a couple of feet. So if it ever freezes over in winter, they use that as a massive natural skating ring. And yeah, a few times it has been there. I've seen people down there. And in the local paper once, some lads thought it'd be funny to drive the car there. You guessed it. Went through the ice, got stuck in the middle. And this road here alongside me, give me the sun flash. This road going down here, that's usually closed off if it floods. But anyway, there you go, we'll get on with this. Archie. So you got to remember there would have been a bridge just here connecting just up to there back in the day. Let's go in. There you go. As you can tell, when the bridge was along this fence line just here, this would have been perfect cover. Anything coming across the bridge or looking out upon the river of any Hitler's barges to come up about 2 miles in that direction. There would have been a Hitler's HQ area if he invaded from this area. He was going to have a house down there, or it's like mansion type, mini mansion. Yeah, the walls actually moved off now. There's a gap. The pillbox, you can feel it's sinking. Quite a big deflection wall as well. ricochet wall. Here's the cover of the bridge. Parrot dog. This side seems to have a bit more room in it. Maybe that's where it's sliding to one side. Yeah, we're definitely going down here. You can feel it really going down here. There you go. Yeah. If I was to follow the pillbox, it'd be something like that. But yeah. There's a pump house just there. There's like a little oval type roofing. Some people say it's to do with the pump house, and some people say at the time it was also to do as an air raid shelter for the pillboxes around here, or personnel what might have been in this area, to quickly get in there as well. But I've got to confirm that. But you could get in the old days, and it does look like a little bit like a pump house and air raid shelter. I'm sure some of you will know that pub as well. Nature taking over there. But yeah, again, pillbox just there. There's another one in the fields there, and there's some what used to be in the fields over there. Some may have gone. But this is a tidal river here. Non-tidal, obviously, beyond the sluice gates there. There's a car coming along, so that would have given you a good gist of what it would have liked if you'd seen any vehicles coming along. Perfect cover and fire. Quite a small opening to get in. I do like this pillbox. I'm glad it was never ripped down when they ripped the bridge down. Can't see any original graffiti or anything. No, and it's good that it hasn't been sprayed up, graffitied up either. Thank God. Is there any indication of what brick was used here? Yes, Fortress brick. Fortress brick, which is Fortress pits in Peterborough. So yeah, localish bricks within 20 miles. Right, that's cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, people. Getting this one down on film, not just on photographs. Yes, we do cover a lot of pillboxes because there are literally tons in this area. There's a lot of army stuff, old RAF stuff and everything, so yeah, we do cover that, but we cover a bit of everything. We're not bothered if you don't like it, or if you know what I mean. If you do like it, thank you very much for supporting us. If you don't, fair enough, you know what I mean. Can't please everybody. Likes or no likes, whatever. But yeah, nice ground for it to cover. As I say, that would have been flooded out, that would have been flooded out, the fields over there would have been flooded out, the fields over here would have been flooded out. We've got a load more videos to upload yet of all kinds of things as well. Don't forget to hop over to our YouTube channel, subscribe to that. Please like, share, do whatever you need to do there. Willing to work with people every now and again. So yeah, if you want to contact us, sponsor us, donate, you know what to do, peeps. Thank you very much to everybody. Lovely pillbox. Brakes sounded like a navy. See you later.